Okay, I have a video I'm creating to show the problem I have with video mocap. And so I have the video mocap opened already here, and I have all these files. If I right click on one of these blue files, you can see I can delete it if I wanted to. I think there's some kind of regenerate button, but uh, let's go here to this error file. And if I right click on it, you can see I cannot delete it. So that's one issue, I think. I imagine you should be able to delete any file in here. So that's one issue. You cannot delete these error files. But and this one here, yeah, I guess you could delete that one too. Uh, if you wanted to. Delete task, yeah. Um, so what I found to fix this problem is if you look in my directory structure, users, Dave, app data, local, religion, video mocap, when video mocap is installed, I guess it creates this folder and file system. Now when I reinstalled Reolution, like I installed the iClone, I even installed Hub. So I took everything off. I even took off CC4 and CC5 and installed them just in case there was some interference there. And then I deleted all the stuff in the registry that pertains to this. But this is one folder I did not delete. I didn't even know it was there. So later I found out when I did a YouTube search or a Google search that there was some folder here. And then I thought, oh yeah, that might be something. So what I found to correct this problem, if I delete the video mocap folder and then reinstall things, uh, it'll create a brand new JSON file. And then, of course, it'll be blank. I won't have any videos in there. That'll work. So what will happen then, everything will be blank here. And if I add a new video here and then select that video once it's added to it'll be loaded in here. And this button will now work. It'll be all active. It'll be active. So that'll work. The only problem with that is I will all the stuff here I have that I got on the promo. I think you could do 100 videos for free promo. I guess I will lose all the ability to generate those videos. Well, let me know what you think I should do. But anyway, I think that's the root of the problem. Something to do with that JSON file is either corrupted or it points to another file that is corrupted. I'm not sure how that JSON file works exactly. But anyway, so at least sort of know what's going on there, where the root of the issue is here. Okay. Thanks for watching, Mike. Okay, take care. Eh? All the best.